on, guys? Happy November. Before I start this video, I want to let you guys know, leave a like, leave a comment, everything. All your support helps. I love all you guys. But I'm gonna be posting a lot more content here soon, especially once I get the caddy back. I'm hoping to have the caddy back by December, hopefully. If not, then I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life. But anyway, this video, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of drifting in my IS350. I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm just gonna show you the videos. I've been practicing a little bit, but I'm looking for some drift spares because these 19s are huge and they weigh so much. I'll see you guys when we start drifting. Oh god, that was so bad. My face probably looked crazy.
Don't want donuts.
God damn it.
God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I